Okay, now it's your turn to have a go. Let's say I've got a drawer full of socks. I've got 2 green socks, 4 purple socks, and 6 white socks. If I were to pick out 2 at random, what is the probability of me having the same color socks? Okay, so I'll decide if this is a conditional probability or if it's an independent probability. And again, as always, draw a map of all the things that could happen. So imagine you putting one hand into the drawer, picking out one sock. Now, what could happen? You could get blah 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 or whatever, and then leave that sock outside, and then reach in, and then pretend you actually reaching in, picking out another sock. Now, what could that be? So, well, anyway, do whatever you have to do. Draw a map of all the things that could happen, and then from once you've got your map, you can work out the probability. Work out the probability of getting 2 socks of the same color. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so like always, draw a map of all the things that could happen. So pretend you actually getting your hand into the drawer, picking out one sock, and ask yourself what could this what color could this sock be? It could be a green, it could be a purple, or it could be a white. Okay, now leave that sock outside. Now reach in again. Let's say you've just picked out a green one. Okay, now you would reach into the drawer again and pick out another sock. So this could be this, a green, purple, or a white. Okay, and then let's go back in time now. Let's say you've just picked out a purple sock. Well, on your second pick, it could be hang on, let me draw this again. I need more space here. Hang on. So it could be purple. It could be green. It could be purple, or it could be white. Okay. Now let's say we just selected a green one. On our second pick, we could get another green or another purple. Well, a purple or it could be this green, purple, and white. Okay, and let's go back in time. We've just picked out a purple one, so we've gone down this route. Now on our second pick, we could get a green, a purple, or a white one. Okay, and let's go back in time. We've just picked out a white one. Now on our second pick, we could get a green, a purple, or a white one. Okay, now the probability of us getting a green on our first pick would be 2 out of 12. Probability of a purple one would be 4 out of 12. Probability of white would be 6 out of 12. Okay, now let's say we've just picked out a green one. So we've gone down this route. What is the probability of us picking another green? So, well, don't forget, we just picked out a green one. So there's only one left. So it's one out of 11. Okay, 11 because we've just removed this one here. The probability. So we've just gone down this route. We've just picked out a green one. Probability of you getting a purple would be 4 out of 11. Okay, there's only 4 left. Well, 4 here, and there's only 11 left. Probability of white would be 6 out of 11. Okay, now let's go back in time. We've just picked a purple one. Now the probability of you getting another purple would be 3 out of 11. Now probability of you getting green would be, well, 2 out of 11. Okay, probability of you getting a white would be 6 out of 11. Now let's go back in time. You've just picked out a white one. Probability of you getting another white one would be 5 out of 11. Well, purple would be 4 out of 11 because it remains the same because we've just picked a white one, so it makes no effect on the purple one. Well, green would be 2 out of 11. Now, which branches are we interested in? We're interested in green, and green. So this is a good outcome. Purple and a purple, and a white and a white. Okay, so we are interested in green and green. So green and green. So we need green and green. Remember, when there's an and, you have to times. When there's an or, you have to add. So we need green and green. So it will be this times this. So so it will be 2 over 12 times 1 over 11. That, well, top times top, which is 2, bottom times bottom, 132. And then, well, we need this branch as well, purple and a purple. So we need probability of purple and purple. That equals, purple would be 4 over 12 times 3 over 11. So 4 over 12 times 3 over 11. So that equals top times top. So that would be 12. Bottom times bottom, that would be 132. Okay, and then we also need white and a white. Hang on, white and a white. So white and white. Well, white and a white would be, well, you need a white and a white. Remember, when there's an and, you got to times. So we need to get this times this. So it would be 6 over 12 times 5 over 11. Well, top times top, that would be 30. Bottom times bottom, 132. So we've got 3 branches here. 1, 2, 3. Well, we need this branch, or this branch, or this branch. When there's an or, you have to add. So we need to add all these together. Okay, so probability of same. So normally you have to make up something here so that people understand what you're talking about. Here I'm just using the word same. So it would be this plus this plus this. Notice that all the denominators are the same. So I'm just going to add the top numbers. So that would be 30, 42, 44. So it would be 44 over 132. Okay. It's a bit hard to understand this, so let's convert it to a decimal. So calculator here. 44 divided by 132 equals 33. Roughly 0.33. So that's roughly 33% chance of you getting. If you pick out 2 socks at random, the probability of you getting the 2 same color socks will be 0.33. Remember, when you're stating probability, you've got to state 0.33. But then you can say, oh, it's a 33% chance of happening. Okay.